So, hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 29th of September till the 5th of October. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So, let's start. Don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not directed towards you, right? Let's see the overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. Let me take another deck. Yep. The overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now, honey. Libra. We have the Two of Cups, the Star card, and the Tower. Okay. So it's like two broken hearts trying to heal themselves after a disaster. Something happened here at some point of time. The damage has been done. This used to be a very solid and very beautiful soulmate kind of dynamics at some point of time. And you guys were very optimistic, very positive, very hopeful that this situation, this connection is going to go somewhere and become something really meaningful in the coming future. But something happened, and like a disaster happened, and everything fell apart. Now, both of you are trying to just, you know, take the pieces of your broken hearts and fix them, paste them into the gaps. It might sound very cringe, but this is what exactly I can see the mutual energy of the connection is. Both of you are deeply affected by whatever happened. And it's like both of you are in the healing journey. Still, emotionally, you guys are connected. You guys can still feel the depth of this connection. You guys can still feel the soulmate kind of energy towards each other, even if things are falling apart, even if you guys have to force yourself to individually go on your different paths. You guys are still energetically very much connected and feel each other's energy around each other properly. You know, life keeps on giving us lemons. This time life gave you oranges. This is not something that you were expecting at all. The outcome, the whatever happened was totally different from what you really wanted out of this situation, right, Libra? Hmm. The message here is do not stop starting from the start. Do not stop starting from the start, Libra. It's the message for both of you. I'm not talking about this particular relationship only. Life is going to give us so many unexpected surprises that are not going to be good. It doesn't mean that that life is over or this is your life. This is just a part of our life, right? So the message, the lesson here is do not be scared of starting from the start. Okay. Okay, let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment, Libra. Let's see what's happening, honey. Oh god, this is falling out of the deck. The Lovers. So this person, I'm telling you, this person is still feeling a very strong pull towards you, very strong attraction towards you, but there is something that they are distracted with. One of you is still feeling the bond very strongly, the other person is distracted by something else. Okay, let me clarify this. Lovers. We have the Five of Cups, the Five of Wands, and the Four of Pentacles, right? Five of Cups, Five of Wands together at the same time. It's like a very conflicting, very chaotic, very painful energy. So they are feeling the loss of the situation, they are feeling the chaos and the conflict of the situation very deeply, but they are feeling, they are still holding on to this energy of loving you, still wanting you, still waiting for you, still hoping for this situation to somehow be normal. This whole situation is interrupted by external influences, external circumstances. More than both of you not being able to come on the same page, external circumstances, other people, other things created some kind of mess in the situation. Still, this person is holding on to this situation. Still, they feel the connection, feel the bond, even if one of you is not there anymore the way they should. It's very painful, it's very chaotic, it's very conflicting. My goodness, it's chaos. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Magician. So from your side, you feel like manifesting something here, manifesting a brand new chapter, brand new life. Let's clarify the Magician. We have the Strength card, the Three of Swords, and the Judgment. My God, you guys are heartbroken. You guys are very sad, from both the sides. The sadness is there. Intensity might be a little bit up or down. You feel like you are trapped in a heartbreaking energy and keeps on coming back to you. Now you're manifesting this energy of breaking this painful cycle and letting this go completely out of your system. Now you are manifesting the healing, the deep rooted healing, so that you can come out of this repetitive cycle, this on and off, in and out energies, this heartbreaking kind of energies, and it keeps on happening with you all the time. Now you just want to let it go because you're tired of attracting these kind of people, these kind of situations again and again and again in your life, right? I'm telling you, it's painful. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Nine of Cups. This person wants to get their wish fulfilled, get their desired outcome out of this situation. Let me clarify this Nine of Cups. This person wants happiness. A lot of happiness. Let's see. We have the King of Wands, the Four of Swords, the Ace of Cups. You know, this person wants to take some kind of action in this direction so that they can completely heal the situation between you and them, and come forward towards you with a brand new offer of love, with a brand new chapter, with a brand new energy. This is Nine of Cups, this is Ace of Cups, this is Ten of Cups together. So this person wants to create a very beautiful, long term, committed kind of connection between you and them. So this person wants to fix the damages if it is possible, and this person wants to do anything about, like, regarding healing the situation properly and letting go of the ifs and buts and conflicts and chaos and heartbroken energies. See, all of us have somebody that we want to fix some kind of situation with, but what we do about it is a totally different thing. Intentions and actions are totally two different like things, totally two different separate entities. Hmm? Feelings, intentions, and actions are three different things, not the same. They intend to fix the damages and start from the start with love and compassion and create a very beautiful, happy go lucky energy in the situation where both of you are enjoying this connection, and this time they want it for long term. This is their intention. Okay. I don't know what happened between you guys, because this is not a personal reading. Neither I'm talking to you personally. Like, I don't know the story, but whatever happened, it's because of you or them or whatever external factors. Now this person is suffering a lot in silence. They can't stop thinking negative about the situation, still holding on to this hope that maybe at some point of time it's going to become normal. And they want to fix the damages here with love and compassion. Now they want to come towards you with genuine feelings, genuine energy of healing. Let's see What do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? What could be the possible intentions from Libra's side here? Sun card. See, you want happiness, you want clarity, you want the truth, okay? Real truth, and all you want is happiness, happy go lucky energies around you. Let me clarify this. Maybe not with this person anymore. Let's see what we have. We have the Lovers, the Seven of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune. Libra, for some of you, you just want to go ahead with a totally different person, totally different energy, and you don't want to reveal it to anybody. So you just want to be happy and very, very clear cut on your path, but maybe not with this person. You might be having a plan to go with someone else or something else that you're really very, very attracted to or infatuated to, and you think like this is the right direction for me, and you just want to keep moving ahead. Right now, you don't want to reveal it to anybody, especially this energy that you're attached to, that you are moving ahead or choosing someone else or something else over them, and you just want to go with the flow. You just want the universe, the fate, the destiny to decide what's going to happen next. So basically, I don't think so that you want to close the door for this specific energy that you're attached to, that we are reading about. You don't want to close the door completely for that person or that energy, but at the same time, you want to go ahead with something new, someone new, or something else, or someone else. Maybe it's not new. And you just want to let the destiny, let the universe decide which one is the best option or which one is a good one for you. For most of you, this is your intention, but you don't want to reveal your intentions to anybody. Not your friends, not your family, not this energy that you are attached to. But there's something that you are doing behind the scenes, and you just want to go ahead with that thing and let the destiny, let the fate decide, sorry, whatever is going to happen next. This is a very strange kind of thing, but this is what I'm getting in your intentions here. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 5th of October, Libra. You don't want to tell your plans to anybody. A brand new chapter, a brand new opportunity in love. Ace of Cups. A new energy. Let's clarify the Ace of Cups. You are already moving on. You are not waiting for somebody to show up at your door with flowers or chocolates or anything like that. You are just moving on. You're just not telling anybody about it, right? Let's clarify the Ace of Cups here. We have the Eight of Swords, the Six of Cups, the Two of Cups. Because you're not sure that this past person, past energy is ever going to come back. And even if they are going to come back, whether they will be able to provide you that kind of relationship that you guys used to share with each other at some point of time. And with this new person, new energy, whosoever you are feeling connected to or you are about to feel connected to, they are going to give you a very, very soothing, very beautiful soulmate kind of loving and caring kind of energies. And you are going to feel like I should choose the new person, new energy over this past one, because you are not sure about this past one if it is ever going to give you that kind of happiness that you deserve. So a new opportunity is also going to be there, if not already, and there are very high chances that you are going to go ahead with the new one, leaving this past one behind, or at least trying to, but not closing the chapter completely, because you're not sure if this past person, past energy is going to give you what you really want. So you are going to be like, okay, let me go ahead with the new one and find my happiness, because I deserve this happiness, without telling anybody about it, without revealing this secret of yours to anyone. You are like, let me go ahead and find my happiness in the new things, new people, new situation, new connection. For most of you, it's already there, the new one, the other one. For others of you, they are about to enter in your life, and there are high chances of you choosing them, but not closing the previous chapter completely, because you're still attached to them somehow. Okay, cool. The The guidance is the Ten of Wands. See, if something has become too much heavy and burdensome for you to carry around, whether it's a person, situation, connection, feeling, you need to drop that completely. You need to get over that completely before moving towards something new, someone new, anything, any chapter, any area of your life. Until unless you are going to close one chapter, one thing completely, and you are not going to, you are going to go to the another chapter with that heavy and burdensome energy, thinking that another chapter is going to solve all of your issues magically, miraculously. That's not going to happen, honey. I'm sorry for busting your bubble here, Libra. If you're thinking like that, it's not going to happen. You are going to project all the frustration, anger, burdensome, and heavy energy on the other situation, and then it's going to be the same saga continues. You have this tendency right now to create one more cycle in your life that's going to create more difficulties rather than giving you happiness. You might find me a negative person, da da da. I don't give a damn. This is what it is, honey. A lot of people thinks that I keeps on find negativity in the positive energies. Actually, the truth here is that I keep on telling you the truth instead of the sugar coated good energies, good vibes. I just, you know, show you the mirror. You don't like the mirror, break it. You are going to like at some point of time you guys have to face it. Then you are going to realize that I was saying the truth. I've seen a lot of people, at least 400, 500 mails, that people used to hate me because whatever I used to say in my readings. And after 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, 1 year, they realize that I was telling the truth. Then they become my ardent followers. Lot of people have done that. So I can take the hate. I'm not new to hatred. But if you want me to say all the lovey-dovey things only, I'm never going to do that, honey. This is the truth here. You might be going towards a new person thinking that you will be able to erase the past energy completely, and or the past one, I should not close that chapter also, but I start the new one. That's the most stupid thing that you're going to do with yourself. Trust me. Okay, told you the guidance as well. Mhm. Let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area. Close your eyes, take 3 deep breath, ask your question 3 times the same question in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. I'm going to give you 10 seconds for the same, and your time starts now. Oh, honey, come back. So, the answer to your question is no. It's a straightforward no. Mhm. So, I'm not going to explain this to you, it's self explanatory. Thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.